Use the search fields to quickly locate leads by name, phone number, address, city, or postal code. Use the phone search to quickly find numbers by area code or locate a specific contact. Look out for phone numbers labeled DNCL and crossed out in red. These are on the Do Not Call registry. Calling them is prohibited and can lead to hefty fines. Check this box to filter out Do Not Call list entries for compliant outreach. Search by first or last name to find contacts faster when you don't have a phone number. Reset all filters with one click to instantly see your full contact list. Use the street and city search to pinpoint leads in specific areas. Filter contacts by postal code for precise, location-based searches. Click a phone number to access more details, or click the green headphone button to call with the integrated dialer. Click the Notes section to capture key details, use the Category section to organize your leads, add a task to stay on track, and select a status from the drop-down to prioritize what matters most. Reset all active search and filter settings for a complete view of your phone book. Begin by selecting the Map Search tab to filter contacts using an interactive map. Locate the area on the map where you want to search for prospects. Use the Draw tool to outline a custom area and filter contacts within your chosen boundary. When you finish drawing the polygon, double-click to close it. Now your list will show only prospects found within the polygon you drew. Click Save Search to instantly store your location-based search for easy reuse anytime. Name the saved area something unique so you can quickly find it and apply it again later. Click Select a Save selection to quickly pull up all the areas you've searched and saved. Click these checkboxes to instantly hide your leads and DNCL numbers so you can focus on people you can contact or haven't reached yet. Click the My Leads tab to view prospects where you've added notes or tasks to their contact card